Hello guys, welcome to Login Help. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new Facebook account on your mobile phone. It is pretty simple. You'll simply need to download the Facebook app from the Play Store. After that, just open it and follow the instructions. Down below you'll get a green highlighted button. Click to that to create new Facebook account, and the first step is to write down your first name, your surname, click next, enter your date of birth, hit next again, choose your gender, enter your mobile number, hit next again, choose your password, and finish signing up. Your account has been created. You can choose to save your password so that you don't have to enter it again and again for your future use as well. Like it said, you'll need to enter this anytime you log in on a new device. So click OK to that. Now you'll have to enter the confirmation code into that. It will be sent to your mobile device. Confirm. Account has been confirmed. You can choose any photos you like, or for now you can skip it and do it later. And there you go. Your brand new Facebook account has been activated. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates. I'll see you soon again in another video. Thank you.